Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Telegram verification code not received. So let's just say that you wanted to create a new Telegram account. You have entered your phone number here, you have confirmed, but you haven't received any verification code. And no matter how you try, you still haven't received any code from Telegram to proceed on creating your Telegram account. So what you're going to do here first is you have to go to your settings. And then this time, what you're going to do is you have to look for Telegram application, and here you have to make sure that on your Telegram application, you give access to contacts or even storage or location as much as possible. So if you have turned off the access of your contacts or storage here on your Telegram, then it could be one of the reasons why you cannot receive any message from Telegram. So you have to go to application, search for Telegram, and then here you have to go to permissions, and then you have to make sure that you have allowed call logs, you have allowed phone, and you have allowed contacts. So this could be one of the reasons why you cannot receive. It's because you click don't allow here. So you have to make sure that you give permissions to these features to your application. Now, if after doing this still you cannot receive a message from Telegram company or support, then you have to go back to your settings and look for a block list. So maybe one of the reasons why you cannot receive a code is that you have blocked or entered some numbers here. So disable any call blocking or SMS filtering apps that might prevent the code from arriving. So make sure that you haven't blocked any number related or connected to Telegram here. And then last, if you still encounter the problem, or if after doing this, still you cannot receive verification code from Instagram, you need to go back to your Instagram application. Okay, look for Instagram here. And then you have to look or type for storage usage. Okay, tap storage usage here, and then you have to click this clear cache. And the last method here is you just have to simply uninstall your Telegram application and then reinstall it again. You have to go back to your Play Store, look for Telegram, and then install this again. After that, you have to go back to the very beginning, like you have to enter your phone and then confirm and wait. Now, if this method still didn't work, then you need to restart your device and then launch Telegram again. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. If you want us to create another tutorial, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.